Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete group messages on iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, also put your likes, write comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, if you want to delete group chat and messages on your iPhone, it's pretty easy to do. And I'm going to show you 2 ways on how you can do it. So, the first one. First of all, you go into the message, you find the group chat, and in order to delete it, you just have to swipe to the left side. And then you'll see that right away you'll have a delete function. If you click on delete, then immediately that group chat will be deleted. Or you can click on the 2 dots at the top, select the message. Thus, if you have several group chats, you can select several at once. And let's say some other regular chat with a person. And once you've selected those, you can click on delete. You click delete, and as you can see, that chat was deleted immediately. If you want your group chat or any correspondence to be deleted completely, then you will need to go to the filters section at the top and then go to deleted messages. Because all the group messages, regular messages that you delete, they stay in that folder for another 30 days. And only after 30 days they are automatically deleted. If you want to delete such correspondence at once, you do not want it to overload the memory of the phone, or there is information that you do not want someone to see, then you just go to the folder recently deleted and you select those messages. And click delete and confirm your actions. And so, as you can see, there are no deleted messages. So that's the simple way you can delete group messages on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Put your likes, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.